Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will show you how to edit non-editable PDFs using the label form field. Label fields in BoldSign are useful for adding instructions or information to documents. BoldSign has now further enhanced the label form field with additional customization options. Users can easily add new text to their documents by matching the label form field's background color with the PDF page color, adding the required text, and adjusting the font settings to match the existing text. The new text will blend perfectly with the document, making the PDF appear professionally updated and ready for secure distribution while maintaining document integrity. This functionality is especially valuable in scenarios where additional context or updates are needed in the PDF document. Let me show you how to do this. I first log into my BoldSign account and click the Create New button. I select Create New Document, which directs me to the document preparation page. I find the PDF document on my computer by clicking the Browse button. Next, I add the recipient's details in the Add Recipient Details section. I check the remaining section and click Next to navigate to the Configure Field page. On this page, I drag and drop the name and email fields. To update the additional terms, I drag Label field to the required place. In the Label Settings section, I match the label field and PDF page background colors. I then proceed to enter the additional terms in the Value field. And set the font type and font size to match the document's other text. Now, the added information looks like it's part of the original PDF. Lastly, I add the signature field and click Send. The document is successfully edited and sent out for signature. Let's switch to the signer's side and see how the label field appears. The tenant receives a signature request email. When I click the Review and Sign button, I am navigated to the document signing page. The name and email fields are automatically populated. You can tell that changes have been made to the document. That's all for editing non-editable PDFs using the label form field in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.